What type of variables we have to create, sir? What is the name of that particular variable? What is the value we have to provide in that particular variable? How we have to create? All these things we will discuss this. Now come on. So when it comes to Java level, when it comes to Java programming language, if you want to make your Java software visible throughout your operating system level, so two types of environment variables available in the Java programming language, guys. When it comes to Java, so there are two types of environment variables we have to create. What are those environment variables means? So one is a class path and another one is path, guys. Yes, so that means what are those variables? Yes, so how many variables we have to create? So in we have to create two types of variables. Yes, when it comes to this first variable, so class path, guys. Yes, class path, and second one is path. So these are the two variables we have to create at the operating system level in order to make your Java software should be visible, guys. Now come on, guys. When it comes to this, what is the use of this? So class path means when it comes to this class path, guys, this class path is utilized by the so JVM software, or it is utilized by the operating system level here. Yes, when it comes to this class path, yes, so this path used by the compiler and JVM software, guys. Compiler and JVM software added to identify our library files. So what are the library files are there? For the, in order to identify that library files, so this class path used by the compiler and JVM software. Used by compiler and JVM software to identify our library files. Yes. When it comes to this path variable utilized by the operating system level, guys. Operating system is responsible to use this path. Yes, to identify. Got it right? Yes, so these are the two types of variables we have to create operating system level in order to make your Java software should be so visible throughout your operating system wherever you want to access, so we can happily access this. So how to create these variables, sir? Yes, so when it comes to this creation here, so there are two ways of we can create these variables, guys. Yes, so how many ways we can create these variables means, so two ways. So when it comes to this first one is temporary settings. Yes. To this first one, this is temporary settings. Comes to second one, it is permanently settings. Yes, permanently. These are the two types of so settings available. So what are those settings here? So one is temporary settings and another one is so permanently settings. If I am doing these settings, then only it is so available, guys. Otherwise it is not at all possible. Got it right? Up to these things are clear or not clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So these are the two ways we can create. So this variables, guys. When comes first one is temporary settings and another one is permanently settings. First we will go for this temporary settings. So once we are discussing about this temporary settings, once all are completed, so after that we should go for this permanently settings. Now come on, guys. So there is a certain drawbacks available in this temporary settings. That's why they introduced another settings, right? If there is no drawbacks within the temporary settings, these permanently settings are required. All right. So definitely, so certain drawbacks available in this permanent temporary settings. That's why we have to go for this permanently settings.